Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this kind of fake background video that have been going viral on YouTube. Now, have you been wondering how to create these background videos? In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do that step by step and in an easy way to do that. So without wasting much of our time, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share this video. So the first thing you have to do, there are some things you have to consider while creating this kind of background videos. One of the things you have to consider is a good lightning. Let there be good lighting, either you're sitting in front of your window or you have a good lightning like the ring lights and all that. The lights, let your lightning be good. So after that, the next thing you have to consider is your background. Let me say, for example, if you are using white as your background, if your background is white, so make sure you're not putting on anything pertaining white so that it will not disturb it when you are removing the background. So that is it. After considering those steps, so the next thing you have to do right now is to know where to get the background and know the type of background that will fit your niche. So after doing that, after you know the background that will fit your niche, now the next thing you have to do right now is to download the background. So I'll be taking you step by step right now on how to download it. For you to download the background, just go to leonardo.ai. So there is the website right now. I'm into the website because I already signed up with them for a long time, so I already have an account with them. Once you just go to Chrome, just search for leonardo.ai, you will sign up for an account with them and you start enjoying the prices there. So after that, then you put in this prompt. Then for it to generate the background, you put in this prompt. That's the area where you put the prompt, where this arrow is pointing at right now. Just tap on the area, then you type in. I already type, you just paste it there. Generate a realistic background. That's what you tell the AI. Generate a realistic background for my YouTube video. If it's YouTube you are doing it for, with a television and a good lighting. Just hit on generate. Generate is at the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. So allow it to load up. So it's loading. Alright, so now it is done loading. So this is the background it just generated for me for the prompt I just wrote. So you have to select the background you love most and download it. So you have to select the good background, the best you love most. So I'll be using this one where this arrow is pointing at right now. So you just tap on it. For it to download it, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you see this area where this arrow is pointing at. Though it is not bold here, but it will be bold in your phone. Just tap on it. That's the download icon there. Just download the video. Download the background, sorry. After downloading this background, there's another thing you need. You need Canva to make it look as bold as the size of YouTube. So you have to just go to canva.com with your Chrome and it will take you to this website. Then you sign up for an account if you don't have an account. Then hit on create where this arrow is pointing at right now, which is that create, the area where this arrow is pointing out. So once you tap on it, then you hit on that search button. There is a search button there. Just search for YouTube video. You see that 1920. That's the area. That's the one you tap. So once you tap it, take you to this area. Once you tap taking it to this area, you see area. If you look down, you see where the road upload, where this arrow is pointing at right now. Though it might not be bold here, but once you go to your phone, you will see everything boldly. You see where the road upload. Just tap on that area. Once you get to this area like this, then you still tap on the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. Once you have taken you to this area, you tap on that area where the road device, where this arrow is pointing out. Then you upload the video, the image you just downloaded from leonardo.ai. So that's the video I just downloaded, the first video, the first picture there. That's the picture I just downloaded there. So that is it. Then the next thing you have to do, just allow it to load up. See, it is uploading. If you see it there, uploading. That is it there. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on it. So once you have tapped on it, you see that three dots there where this arrow is pointing at. Yeah, that three dots. That is what you just tap on the three dots. And you see the area to where this arrow is pointing at again. Just tap on that area. Where the road set as. Once you just tap on it to become bold and full, that is just what you want to gain, so that it be at your YouTube video size. So that is it. Boom, it is bold right now. So the next thing you have to do is to upload it. So download it back to your device. So you just hit on that area where this arrow is pointing at, where the road share. Please follow this video step by step, and if you are getting value on it, please do well to subscribe and share this video. So you see where the road download, the area where this arrow is pointing at. Please make sure you are following this arrow. Then hit on download again to start downloading. So while it is downloading, please don't switch off your phone or leave the area. Just allow it to download. Boom, that finished downloading. So that is it. The next thing you have to do right now is to go to our CapCut. Once you get to CapCut, tap on new project. Then you upload that picture. Once you uploaded the picture, tap on the picture and drag it to the length of that your video. Please note, make sure you have already made your video ready, so that the next thing you have to do just to remove the background. So you just drag it to the length of the video. If it's 1 hour, if it's 2 hours video, if it's 30 minutes or 1 minute video, just drag it to the length. After dragging it to the length, the next thing you have to do is to hit on overlay where this arrow is pointing at right now. Hit on it again to take it. Then go to you upload the video. So this is the video I'll be using for the purpose of today's tutorial. So I'll be removing the background. Just go on cut out. Let me just look for it. Just screw slowly. You see where the roads cut out. So that is it. Where this arrow is pointing at, cut out. That's what you will just tap. Once you just tap on remove background, the background is removed immediately. Boom, that is it. So resume it. So the next thing you have to do, please, if you don't know how to get this video, I want to add a table there to make it look more real. I can just go to leonardo.ai and download the table and remove the background of the table and come here and upload it. So but I already have one that is ready. So you have to make it sizable and make it look real to the level of the person there. So after that, I have to select a mic. I want to add a mic. So that is the mic. You just zoom it and reduce it to the size of the person's mouth. That's the mic I want to use. I just downloaded all of them from the Leonardo. Just take the Leonardo, just write a prompt, generate for me a mic, generate for me a realistic table. It will generate everything for you. So that is a very mighty tools that they just brought at the AI space. It's helpful. So this will just reduce it to the size of your mouth so that you look real. Alright, so that is it. So this is how to create this fake background video, and you never know that this is a fake background. So that is how to create this video, and it is going to look real and real. So please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give the video a thumbs up and share. If there's any area you don't understand, please you can ask at the comment section. So see you in my next video.